Daily English Talks.
Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Talking about daily life in easy English. Hi, Daniel. How was your morning today?
My morning was good because I woke up early and had a healthy breakfast before work.
That sounds nice because I usually wake up late and rush to get ready every day.
I understand that feeling because mornings can be very busy and stressful sometimes.
What do you usually eat for breakfast before you leave the house?
I normally eat eggs, toast, and fruit because I want to stay healthy and energetic.
That is a good habit because I often skip breakfast when I do not have enough time.
Skipping breakfast can make you feel tired during the day, so you should eat something small.
You are right, and I think I will start preparing my breakfast the night before.
That is a smart idea because it can save time and make your mornings easier.
After breakfast, do you go to work by car or by public transportation?
I usually take the bus because driving in the city is very slow and expensive.
I also use the bus because it gives me time to listen to music and relax.
Listening to music during the trip can make the morning feel more peaceful and enjoyable.
What time do you usually arrive at your office every day?
I normally arrive at around 8:30 because my work starts at 9 o'clock.
That is very organized because I am often just on time for my job.
I try to arrive early because I like to prepare before the busy work begins.
What do you usually do during your lunch break at work?
I often eat lunch with my coworkers and talk about our daily lives and weekend plans.
That sounds fun because friendly conversations can make the workday feel much shorter.
Yes, and talking with coworkers helps everyone feel more comfortable and connected.
I usually bring homemade food because eating at restaurants every day costs too much money.
Homemade food is often healthier and cheaper, so I think it is a good choice.
After work, do you go straight home or do you do other activities first?
Sometimes I go to the gym because exercise helps me stay active and reduce stress.
I want to exercise more often, but I usually feel too tired after work.
Even a short walk in the evening can help your body and improve your mood.
That is true, and walking outside can also help me relax after a long day.
Fresh air and movement are very important for both physical and mental health.
What do you usually do when you finally get home in the evening?
I normally take a shower, cook dinner, and then spend time watching television or reading.
Reading before bed sounds peaceful because I spend too much time using my phone.
I try to avoid my phone at night because it helps me sleep better and feel rested.
That is a good habit because I often stay awake too late watching videos online.
Many people do that now, but getting enough sleep is very important for our health.
What kind of dinner do you usually cook for yourself at home?
I often make simple meals like rice, vegetables, chicken, or soup because they're easy to prepare.
I enjoy cooking too, especially when I have enough time to try new recipes.
Cooking at home can also be relaxing and enjoyable after a stressful day at work.
Do you spend time with your family during the week?
Yes, I usually call my parents every evening to ask about their day and health.
That is very kind because family support is important in everyday life.
I agree, because talking with family makes me feel happier and less stressed.
On weekends, do you prefer staying home or going outside with friends?
I like doing both because sometimes I need rest and other times I want adventure and fun.
That balance sounds healthy because resting and socializing are both important for happiness.
Exactly. And having free time helps us enjoy life more and feel less pressure.
I usually clean my apartment and do laundry on Saturday mornings.
I do the same thing because household chores are easier when you finish them early.
After that, I sometimes visit a cafe and enjoy a quiet afternoon with coffee and a book.
That sounds relaxing because peaceful moments are important in our busy lives.
Do you have any goals that you want to achieve this year?
Yes, I want to improve my English skills and save enough money for traveling.
Those are wonderful goals because learning and traveling can bring many new experiences.
I also want to spend more time with friends and focus on living a balanced life.
That is a great idea because good friendships can make everyday life more meaningful.
I completely agree, and simple conversations like this can also brighten our day.
I enjoyed talking with you because it was relaxing and interesting to share daily experiences.
I enjoyed it too, and I hope we can talk again soon about life and future plans.